Hello, my name is Marla Uribe, and this is my Module 17. So I have three documents. So actually the first one is this handy visual graph that just explains the process that I would use in my school when reviewing data. First, we would gather data, we would then analyze, create a plan, implement it, and then reassess and redo the whole cycle. Down here, I also wrote down the process, a little bit more information on the process. For example, gathering the data, a few things to think about, like first we must gather the data with a purpose. So that way the assessment tools we use are specific to the purpose for why we want that data. Analyzing, we want to analyze in groups to gain an insight on what the data is telling us. Creating a plan, we want to collaborate to make a solution to get better results. Implementing, of course, we want to support each other with the plan we create to implement it successfully. And then we want to reassess to see where we are after implementation and then repeat that particular cycle. As part of what I would hand out in my protocol would be a guided discussion kind of worksheet where during the collaboration process, teachers can write down and take notes about certain questions that I would present to them. For example, what data did we collect? Again, thinking about the purpose. This mirrors the cycle a little bit. What can we tell about the data? For example, the trends, the results, how high, who's performing within level, who is not. What can explain low results if we see anything that worries us? After that, what can we do to improve? Then how will we be held accountable? All of this goes together as the process I would use in my school. For Module 17 questions, how will your teachers react to being given a protocol to help with their data, dialogue, and discussions? I think if they were to be handed something visual that shows the cycle, it would make it easy to understand what the whole process will be. Plus being able to have these text boxes while they're reviewing data where they can write notes for the guided discussion. It'll be easier for them to refer back to it. Organizationally wise, it's very convenient for teachers. How can your protocol be adapted to work with different subjects and groups of people? I think this style is very usable not just for schools, but also when you're doing a kind of project, so not just in education. For any subject, I think this is a very good general process. So I think this hopefully would be very easy and very well organized so that people can use it. Thank you very much.